Hello everybody! Today we are going to see surprise eggs. I'm so excited because everyone has a different character. The first one I opened, there's a flyer from Cars with Lightning McQueen and Mater on it. Oh, let's grab another. SpongeBob! I love SpongeBob! Who's in this green egg? I wonder what's in it. It's a bomb from Mario. It's a great game. And the blue egg. Inside I have a Hello Kitty charm. What's inside? Bullseye! Woody's horse. What's inside? Candy Cat from Peppa Pig. Another egg. Oh, I love surprises. Another egg is Daisy. It's Daisy Duck. Yay! I want to see another egg. Oh, it's a charm for Spider-Man. And a yellow egg. What's inside? I don't know what that is. Do you know who it is? Yellow egg. Hello Kitty. A pink egg. Who is inside the pink egg? It's another SpongeBob. Cool. And the yellow egg? I don't know that. Oh, it's Maggie. Hello Kitty. Man, I have a lot of surprises here. Oh, dropped one. Let's grab. There it is. I want to know what's inside it. It's a puppy. And the pink one? Another charm. This one's SpongeBob. We are going to open all of these surprises and find a penguin. I love penguins. A blue egg. Princesses and ponies. The red egg has another Hello Kitty. I'm going to open all of my eggs. Pink egg. It's Dora the Explorer. Red egg. Oh, that one popped open. Let's try again. There we are. It's no good to spoil a surprise. No wonder it popped open. It's an angry bird. And the white egg. What's inside? It's a dragon. What's inside? Minnie. It's Minnie Mouse. What's inside? Another SpongeBob charm. About this one? SpongeBob SquarePants. How about this one? Minnie Mouse. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, a bracelet. A beautiful bracelet. What's inside? A koala bear. What's inside? It's a top, a spinning top. What's inside the blue egg? A hairband. Neat. Okay, what's in my blue egg? Hello Kitty, and she's in a helicopter. And Dora the Explorer. Another egg. Patrick Star. He's Patrick. What's inside? Oh, I don't know who he is either. If you see any of my eggs and you know who they are, leave me a comment below. Oh, I think it's another hair tie. Oh, it's a barrette. How nice. It's a barrette for my hair. What's inside the egg? Oh, all kinds of stuff. Let's see. If I put it together, oh, it's Tiddlywinks. It's a game. What's inside? A bird. A little bird. What's inside? Ooh, it's Stitch. It's Stitch. What's inside the egg? Oh, a scary creature. I don't know this one either. I hope you guys know what they are. What's inside this egg, I wonder? It's Peppa Pig. Hello, Peppa. What's inside this egg? Mater. Now these eggs are very special. These are my Play-Doh eggs. Inside my Play-Doh eggs, Queen Elsa. It's Elsa from Frozen. Let's open another Play-Doh egg. It's another Elsa. Oh, this time she's in her blue dress. Oh, I hope that there's more Frozen inside these eggs. It's Olaf. Hello, Olaf. He likes warm hugs. Another egg. It's Kristoff. These Play-Doh eggs have Frozen surprises. Anna. There's Princess Anna. What's in our last egg? The very last egg is a troll. A rock troll. All right, look at all of my toys. Wow, those were great surprises. Thanks so much for helping me open my eggs. What was your favorite surprise? Leave me a comment with your favorite character and click here if you want to see more of my surprise eggs. Thanks for watching.